This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable on-device site data on the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up now. To enable or disable on-device site data, what that is, websites can be allowed to store data on your device. You can enable that or disable it. To do that, you want to open up Settings first. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off the left-hand side, you want to go to where it says Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Site Settings. Click on Site Settings. Then you'll scroll down toward the bottom. And down here where it says Additional Content Settings, you want to make sure you expand that. And then you'll scroll down a little further. And right here, On-Device Site Data. Click on On-Device Site Data. And up here at the top, it says a site you visit can save info about what you're doing so that it works as expected. For example, to keep you signed in on a site or to save items in your shopping cart. Often sites save this info temporarily on your device. It says default behavior. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. By default, the top one is probably toggled on like you see mine is. Allow sites to save data on your device. The middle one here, if you toggle this one on, delete data sites have saved on your device when you close all windows. Or the bottom one, if you want to not allow it at all, don't allow sites to save data on your device. You can choose between any one of those. Down below that, you have customized behavior for particular websites. You can add or remove any websites that are in this area, but the main setting is right up here, the default behavior. That is how to enable or disable on-device site data on the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.